Hello, my friends. So, I wanted to come on today to share something for, well, I call it Khristina Day, but it's for Redefined Creative, Secret Not Secret Kit Club. This is Creative Kits Club. Any way you put it, it is Khristina Sorge Day. So I thought I would share with you my latest Creative Cuts Club little goodie kit. So what she does is, I believe there's at least 5 cut files per month, and she cuts them out, sends them to you. Now in the US, I believe it's $17 a month, and that includes shipping. Outside of the US, don't know. So I thought I'd show you what I got this time. So this is a very interesting looking little file. It kind of looks, there we go. It looks like little clipboards. How cute is that? So this is the first one. Then I really dig this one. These arrows, you can put them whichever way. Maybe I can come in just a little bit. Whichever way, but I do like the direction you can go. For some reason, I feel like I'm going to leave them white on a bold background, but I'm not sure yet. So we have that one. And then, oh, there's one that kind of goes with it. It's an extra little arrow piece, and that's very cool. I like the idea of it just going on the bottom for kind of like an anchor piece. So we have those two. Next, we've got this fabulous light bulb, bright idea kind of thing, or perhaps a hanging light bulb. I don't know. Not sure where we're going to go with that yet. Love the idea that it looks kind of like an Edison bulb though. Next, this one's cool. It is a book. And the thing that's kind of cool about this is right now I am doing a diamond painting that has an open book on the bottom and butterflies shooting out. I should take a picture of it and do a layout about it with this because that's about perfect. Next, come on, little guy. I've got this gorgeous globe with this floral piece. Now, I've done a globe recently, so I'm going to have to think about how I might want to use this. I have no idea, but I do like this. Very cool. And you can always just cut out the floral piece if I don't want another globe. And then that's going to leave me with this really great half circle I can fill in. And that kind of looks like a funny tulip. So I don't know. Don't know where I'm going to go with that one yet. Now, this is stunning. Look at this. Look at how cute this is. We've got a coffee cup with floral elements, like, oh, so cute. And then last, we have this great little science fella. So that would certainly be very, very fun. So I am feeling that ever so much. Now the goodies that we have to go with it, because there's always a little set of goodies. This is a hexagon, a cork hexagon, and it does have adhesive on the back. Next, we've got, I don't know how to pronounce it, AROIC, acrylic paint pen, extra fine tip in white. I can always use a great white pen. We do have these little wood veneers. Looks like a calculator. I've got, oh gosh, I know what this is called. I do know what this is called. It's to do a 90-degree angle. Cute little pencil, a globe, a paper clip, a cute little letter, an abacus, a book, a check mark, another little writing implement, oh, and a ruler. Can you see how cute that little ruler is? So we have those little fellows. Then in this little package, I like all the little packages. It's kind of like a little fun gift that we get. So we've got a library pocket with, ooh, look at how bright that green is. I feel like I just did something with that super bright green, but look at these two colors together. I use this for Halloween a lot. That might be making itself over to a Halloween layout. Very, very bright yellow. It's like a bold lemon yellow. And then this red is a little bit more towards a fallsy red. It's got a little bit of a brick color to it. Then for the exclusive Scrap-In Happy Studio homemade epoxy flares, we have You Light Up My Life and Noted. on notebook paper, so that's kind of cute. And the You Light Up My Life, that would be really great with that little light bulb. Cute stuff right there. And then we have an exclusive sequin mix, and it's not like a giant sequin mix, it's actually possibly usable in these great colors. We have a really deep magenta and a great turquoise. There's a little bit of iridescence in there, so there's some different colors. And then it has these triangles, both in the turquoise and in gold. That is fun and gorgeous and bright and vivid and all the things I like with a nice deep saturated hue. So that is my kit this month. I hope you like it. I'll leave a link to her store below, and you can take a look-see and see what you think. All right, bye friends.